Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 423 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this highlight powder duo from the brand Beauty Benefits that I got from the Dollar Tree recently. So if you want to see my Dollar Tree haul, I will link that video down below because I found a lot of great things at the Dollar Tree that were makeup products recently. And I've tried out a few products from this brand on my channel before, and they were okay. I mean, for dollar store products, they were decent, but these do look like very pretty highlighters. And I'm trying to remember, I think they may have even had another shade of these highlighters at my Dollar Tree. And not bad packaging either. Big pans. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. It's funny though because they seem like very similar shades, so it's like, why didn't they differentiate them if they were going to put in two colors? Oh wow, this one's a lot smoother of a texture than this one. This one broke apart a lot, so it's like this one's a more buttery, creamy texture. It's interesting. Ooh, that has some nice glow to it. Oh. And then this one's just a little bit more shimmery, glittery. Don't know if it's really showing much on camera, but this one's a little bit lighter and more glowy. This one's a little bit more glittery, shimmery. Nice. I am excited to see how these are gonna look on my face. And so I just curled my hair for the first time after getting a haircut, and on camera, my hair still looks long because I think like it still cuts off the end of my hair, so it actually doesn't even really look that different on camera. But just now when I styled it, I was like, oh my gosh, my hair looks so short. But no, I guess it doesn't look that short. It's still pretty long. But I got a lot off. My hair got really long. All right, so anyways, I'm gonna try applying with a brush to start. So I'll go in with the lighter, more glowy shade. I'm not too sure how well this is going to show up with the fluffy brush, but I mean, it's actually showing up pretty nicely. And it's applying really well. Yeah, look at that nice glow. That looks pretty natural, kind of subtle. Ooh, I really like that. All right, now I'll go in with the other shade on this side. As I'm applying them to my skin, the shades are really looking similar, so it's almost like you wouldn't even notice that they were two different shades. Yeah, I really like how this one looks too. If anything, it's just maybe a little bit more reflective, a little bit more blinding. Yeah, both of these, they applied really nicely. They're looking great on the skin. They're looking glowy. I am liking these. Let's see if I can build it up. I want to apply it with my finger. And see if that builds up the intensity. Yes, that does add more pigment, which is a good option if you wanted a more intense highlight. Wow, I am really liking these colors. These are very champagne, golden, beige, like very nice, I feel like on my fair skin. And it just looks so nice. It looks smooth. It's not emphasizing any texture or any pores. It's reflecting the light in such a beautiful way. This is definitely my favorite product so far from this Beauty Benefits brand. Like, this seriously looks like such a gorgeous highlighter that I would wear any day for any occasion. It's such like a natural, glowy, gorgeous highlighter that can be perfect for day to night. And it's only $1. Both of these shades I love too, so I would go about these interchangeably. I could mix them together, but I'm so glad that I'll get use out of both shades, so that's like even better. I am really loving how my skin looks right now, and I am just blown away that this was a $1 product. So it just goes to show, like, especially nowadays too, where like every brand has a highlighter, you don't need to spend high-end money and price points to get beautiful glow and highlight. Whereas I feel like even just like a year or two ago, there was really no highlighters that you can find that were actually good and inexpensive. But now you can find amazing ones at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just so happy with where the makeup industry is now. And I love how accessible it is to everyone, that for just $1, anyone can go into the dollar store now and get a beautiful glow that looks like a high-end highlighter. Let me know in the comments down below if there are any makeup products that you would love to see at the Dollar Tree or at a very low price point in the future that's a product that you can't really find at the Dollar Tree right now. Something that comes to mind for me is setting sprays. I love setting sprays, but I feel like I spend a lot of money on basically just water. So I would love to find like a nice dollar store setting spray. So let me know also in the comments down below if you know of any of those. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.